Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing electrical hazard. Switch off the dishwasher breaker and double-check there's no power. Once done, open the door and remove the screws along the inner flange. Keep them in a labeled tray so nothing gets lost. Carefully peel back the inner door panel enough to reveal the control assembly and the ribbon cable. This gives you clear access. You're doing this to prevent shocks and to get an unobstructed line to the control board for the next steps. Now you remove the existing control. First, depress the ribbon cable lock and gently pull the flat flex cable out. Do the same for any wire harness by releasing its clip. Next, unscrew the control bracket and lift the panel free, setting it on a soft cloth so you don't damage the keypad. Pause to compare the old and new panels. Matching connectors and screw locations saves rework. These checks explain why replacement parts must align exactly. Otherwise, finish by mounting the new control in the bracket and tightening screws snugly. Make sure connectors seat fully and the ribbon cable locking tab clicks into place. Once reassembled, restore breaker power and run a short quick wash or diagnostic to confirm buttons, lights, and cycles respond. If something goes wrong, make sure to reseat every connector and inspect for bent pins. Sometimes a loose ribbon or misaligned clip is the culprit. That troubleshooting step usually isolates the issue without.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.